So the fire alarm went off again. I followed everyone and took a... Oh.
I'd welcome that.
If we were to be on fire or anything like that.
I'd welcome that. I'd welcome that.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, I was in the middle of a shower. Yeah, I'm upset.
I'm not beeping. No, I heard some slight beeping, and I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And then it came in full force. And I saw everyone coming down like this hallway. I was like, I just followed everyone. It's, wow, people that know what to do, I'll just follow
I
them.
waited all morning for the shower. Suffered a physics test. Trying to finish my other class. And I said, no, I'm gonna treat myself to a nice shower. And then this shit happened.
Both times this has happened, I've not been wearing a bra. I'm vlogging.
Oh, hey.
Oh God.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hi.
We're going rock climbing. Been planning this for a few days now, but
Failed to do it.
it has finally come to fruition.
Oh, yeah, baby.
What have I done today? I woke up, made myself a nice breakfast of bacon, eggs, and toast, and coffee. Then I hung out. Then I went to work. Then the mom came home after literally an hour and was like, yeah, I got off work early. You can go
She
home.
pay you for the full time?
Yes.
Okay, good.
She said, we'll just pay you for a regular day. Betty is the goat. And then,
Absolute baller.
yeah, she is a baller. And then, I came back here, changed.
It's time for your YouTube feed.
Yeah, this is Grayson. This is Madeline.
Hey, kids. Hey, kids at home.
One of our 5 subscribers. Fuck yeah, we got 5 subscribers.
Oh, yeah. One's me. I watch it on the big screen.
Yeah, we got some good content today as our second fire alarm of the week went off. So that was nice.
Dude, the parking lot of the other building is so empty. Is no one living in it? Like the one when you first like pull in, it's like totally empty.
I don't know.
No.
People might be going home for
Oh,
for
yeah.
Memorial Weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, Betty was like, "Do you have any plans?" I was like, "What? I don't know. I forgot. It was like a
Oh,
long
here's your
weekend."
drink. And your straws in the Target bag.
Got a Starbucks strawberry refresher. Not endorsed.
Fun.
Not sponsored. One day. One day. Yeah. Sometimes I don't use straws, but I'm not gonna risk it.
Oh yeah,
I'll be
the
killing-
environmentalists are gonna come for you.
I'll be killing the sea turtles today. I'm sorry. I can't even get this straw in. Okay. I got a spray tan.
Straw being removed from the turtle's nose.
Oh
That's
god.
Alice's straw.
It's so bad.
I didn't watch it. I'm sorry.
It's so
I can't tell if
shit
it's still
fucked
filming.
me up.
I'm filming at me now.
Oh, okay.
No, it's really sad. If you haven't seen that video,
Peep.
The links in the
shout out.
Down below.
Link
Shout
is
out
down
Sea Turtle
below.
Video.
As I drank through a
Yeah.
straw.
Mad respect though. I have a bunch of metal straws if you want them.
I have a reusable Starbucks cup that I use when I go to Starbucks.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't go that often.
So
though.
who are your subscribers?
2 of them I don't know. Like I just had them. They might be in my French class or something from when we made the French video.
Oh my god.
Did y'all watch the French video?
No, not
'Cause-
yet.
oh, it is so funny.
We'll watch it. What did Rox say? I
She
can't read.
has an
Rox.
IUD and lets me blast inside her. This is amazing.
Okay, you know how he's just like, he's like an overly emotional princess. He was like waiting to take a girl and like take him off to his like bike club. I don't know. Like
What are you saying?
He's like
Yeah.
trying to always swipe sweep a girl
He's trying to
off
find
her
love.
feet.
Like,
Okay.
he's just,
Like, he's like
Okay.
willing to take them out of the world they live in to a better
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'll edit it.
world. Exposing him.
What the fuck is going on
But
here?
he's just like very emotional and like wants a wifey really bad, but not like an actual wifey.
Yeah.
So anytime he meets a girl, he like instantly falls in love with her if he like she like talks
It's like a
to
Ted
him.
Mosby.
Yeah, it's like someone is like, hi, and he's like, hard eyes, Instagram bio. Like,
Woman
he's
Crush
like-
Wednesday.
Yeah, no, he's literally like a middle schooler, and he's like,
This chick's like literally brushing her teeth.
Oh my god. You know what?
ball.
She's multitasking. Get
Yeah,
it?
so he's just like always looking for love, but there's this girl that he now is in love with,
Mm-hmm.
It's raining.
but she doesn't have an upper lip.
She doesn't. She has a straight bottom lip.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like,
But I
her,
don't
her
even think
bottom
the
lip
bottom lip is
compensated for
real.
her big.
I don't think the bottom lip is real because she like overlined her top lip like aggressively
Here, I'll show you
and
also a
like
picture.
created a new shape of it. But that's
I
the
mean-
longest of his life, and he's happy he can nut in her since she has an IUD.
Yeah, that he blasted in her.
Blast.
I believe
He
was
said,
the.
what did he ask?
Yep. What did he say?
Hang on a second.
He once was like, have you guys ever like cream pied a girl or whatever? Yeah. Like, bitch, it's not that
He's like, have you
exciting
creamed
to come
inside of a
inside
woman?
of someone inside of a lady. Nutting inside people. Just spread that seed.
One of my favorite activities.
I can't wait till my future students find your vlog channel. Let's see.
I don't think anyone's gonna find it.
Hopefully.
But yeah, so one of my Eloise subscribed last night.
Eloise.
You.
Eloise is funny as fuck on Finsta. T. When she
Oh, her
comments on your
comments.
stuff,
Yeah.
Big fan. Respect.
Yeah. Today I encountered a man that goes commando while wearing jeans.
That's how you get razor.
Like I'm scared. I was like, are you okay? Is everything okay at home?
What did you say?
God.
Like, if someone described nutting inside me as blasting,
Yeah.
I would not fucking
I'm gonna
do it.
blast. Oh my god, I'm gonna blast.
Hold on, stop. I'm about to blast.
Also, like, he acts like it, like, shoots out. Like if your nut is like, boom!
It's like, you know,
there's
there's like
something
squirt
wrong.
guns with like,
Yeah.
they look like a handle and they just squirt.
How many miles per hour?
Approximately 70, like
Fast as a softball
a
pitch.
bull.
That would like
That would dig to the IUD. Also,
that would push it. That would push it in.
watch this bitch not have an IUD,
She's playing.
and she's trying to wife him.
Oh my
she's
God.
taking a herbal supplement.
Oh,
She goes to
yeah,
Asheville.
a herbal. I love herbal
It's
supplements.
a tea she takes daily.
Yeah,
To
it's
prevent
a
her from
yogi
getting
glue.
pregnant?
Do what?
A tea to prevent you from
No,
getting
like a
pregnant?
tea, like you know, it's like a herbal, like that's like a.
Stop saying herbal.
Yeah, first
Like-
of all,
like-
you're not British.
It's
Herbal.
herbal.
Okay, it's like a
You're
herbal.
not
Like,
Daddy Pig.
it's a holistic approach. That's what I was trying to think
He's
of. Like,
he's like joking.
yeah.
She has an IUD, but what if we're like, oh, she actually just like takes herb every day. So she goes to
She's like,
UNC.
I eat lavender and it doesn't let me get pregnant.
No, she just like shoves some incense up there and like hopes for the best. Some patchouli. Also, you can
Keep it
tell
fresh.
who wears patchouli just by looking at them. You don't even have to
Yeah.
smell them. There was a girl
Yeah.
the other day at Target and she stood near me and I said, yep.
You can tell when she lifts up her arms, it looks like this.
Hey, no shaved body hair.
I've seen people like dye it.
Caroline
yeah.
colors.
That's kind of fun.
It's funky.
Not an armpit, though.
No, I think she dyed her armpits if I remember.
Didn't like Miley Cyrus dye her armpit hair pink or something?
Probably.
Yeah, I
Everyone
think
like
she did.
freaked out.
People
Miley
need to
Cyrus
chill,
is
though.
bae though.
Yeah, oh, fuck, she's hot.
Yeah.
Miley Cyrus is a bad bitch.
She could kill me.
I'd enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm glad that Tana and,
Jake Paul?
no, Tana and Jake Paul, first of all, but then Tana and, her little sister resolved their beef.
Oh, I didn't
Like,
know that
Miley
was a thing.
Cyrus's little sister, Tana, had beef because
Oh.
they both dated Little Xan.
Yeah.
And like Lil Xan is just like,
He's like
crazy.
gross.
He's so stupid. Like, one of these kids at a house party I went to in high school just drank a shit in the cough syrup and then he like shit himself.
That's you trip off of that's DMT.
Yeah, he
tripping.
just shit
It's
himself.
real tripping.
He was like, hey Justin, can I use your bathroom?
Oh my god, at one of our high school parties, this kid, he shit on the stairs.
No!
Yeah, like he shit on someone's stairs. They had a party sophomore year of high school and like tried to get acid.
Elsa, do you know anybody from like Norman?
No.
Okay.
No.
I don't
I
know.
mean, like,
I don't know my
she
way
grew
from
up in
Charles.
No, I know, but
Like,
like
how-
from college, like
Oh.
they had so this girl like in high school was like just fucking wild. Okay, her parents went out of town because like her mom was like some fitness guru
Shit.
and just didn't give a shit about her, so she threw like a party and like they threw like their grill in like the pool and like poured out like all the potted plants like into the pool and then, like,
Why?
just went around like the
Y'all just
house
hate
like
plants?
kicking in like the walls and like the dry walls and stuff.
Was
I
it on
remember-
meth? Like,
And like the kid, one of the kids who I was telling you about last night, he went to rehab, like literally
The one
shit.
that died?
No,
Or
no,
just
no.
the one in the rehab?
Just one
Okay.
of the kids that went to rehab, like literally shit in like her dad's like shoes, like
Oh my god.
like not. I don't
Why?
think, I think it's like more than once, like not twice, but like 3 times.